Welcome to Wake Up Epic. Today is all about weaving together authenticity, which is the culmination of inspiration. And our movement is called Cobra and Ab Baby. So it's all about our core, Ab Baby. Here we go. Inhale, ooh. Our mind body dynamic starts with inhale, ooh, goes to exhale, ah. Inhale, ah. Exhale, ooh. So all four. Two different polarities. Inhale, ooh. Exhale, ah. Inhale, ah. Exhale, ooh. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do you see the story? Trusting you. Expressing self. Sensing, seeing what is. Make a choice. You get inspired yet? What do you trust? What do you express? What's out there? And in here. And what's your choice? Which creates awareness. What do you trust? Share and express. What's going on? What choice isn't ready? So let's take this whole thing and flip it inside out. Where is it completely screwed up and you're not able to be inspired and you're not able to be authentic? Screw this one up. Block it. Inhale, ooh. Can't, exhale, ah. Failure at inhaling, ah. Seeing and witnessing and observing. And failing to choose. One more time. Fail to know thyself. Fail to express what's you need to express that only you can. Fail to see what is actually real and fail to make a choice. Now, twice, smooth all the way through. Heal it, let it just happen. What's the full expression for you today? Thank you for showing up fully. Now let's move into our core. We're going to start on our backs. The move is Ab Baby. Comes directly from Yoga Tune-Up, hands and feet in the air. And like a baby, reaching for its constellation, or like a human, reaching for the constellations that inspire us, move your limbs in different ways. So we have this combination of chaos and order again. There's an order and a stability. There's a meta pattern. But inside that container of possibilities, you're free to arrange yourself in any way. Roll a bit extra to your left. Come back to your back. Reach above your head if you haven't done that one yet. Now roll a bit extra to your right. Back to your back. And rest. Okay. Let's flip to your back. Same movement. You might be able to imagine where this is going. We'll start off slow. So once you're on your belly, lift your hands, lift your feet. Lean over to one side and try to reach up. Reach up with your feet. Reach up and back behind you. What happens as you reach up behind you? Can you reach for the stars from here? Roll to your side a little bit. your other side a little bit. Obviously, this is, for most part, people, way more challenging. So off you go into the chaos from this belly-based stability, as fast as you like, as curious as you want. Allowance for you and any suffering this might entail, as long as there's no pain. Adjust for the pain. Adjust for more pleasure. And rest. Take a few deep breaths. Like you needed me to tell you that, right? Round 2. Come onto your back again. So one thing to add is a little bit of rock and roll. So let's go hands and feet, start to reach. But we're going to add immediately a rock to reach and a roll with your feet and a reach with your arms and a reach with your feet. Couple more rounds. And a little bit on your left side. A little bit on your left side. And a little bit on your right side. Well done. Rest. Round 2 on your belly. Now, rolling and rocking on your belly is a very different kind of a game. So what I'd like you to do is put your hands by the side as wide as they need to be, and you're going to give yourself a gentle lift. So your back is still working, but you're using your hands for a little support, and then rock and catch again. Rock and catch. You're going to fall forward, but you're going to not hit your face. That lets your feet fly higher, and up you go. So imagine you're reaching with your feet, then your head, and your head, and then your feet. And then give it a little bit of emphasis on the right side. And a bit of emphasis on the left side. And come to rest, forehead on the ground, or turn your head sideways if you like. And let go of any control of your breathing. One more breath. Use your hands, roll up, put your knees underneath you, and give your low back a bit of a stretch just by shifting hips down to your feet. And then get into a comfortable sitting position, or kneeling, or standing for a minute of waking up silence. Close your eyes and let complete control go. Find an authentic choice to let go of breath. Open your eyes. Well done, well played. Thanks for waking up, Epic. This has been the inspiration portion of our entire journey, and tomorrow we start our contribution portion. So I'll see you in the Q&A. I'll see you in the group. Thanks for being here. Have a great day.